Another example would be some of the water saving tech. So you've already mentioned the Hydroloop, but there's also a valve that's going to be going into the property which reduces the flow of water. So this is more on my side, so I'll talk about this one. So what this does is quite interesting. There's two parts to it. One part reduces sort of pressure. And what that means is when you have sort of gravity-fed system or too much pressure and you switch the tap on, it sort of goes and you get this sort of sudden glut of water. It quickly corrects, but over time it equates to a significant amount of water. So this system can basically stop that happening. And then the second part is it restricts flow. So what this means is basically it maintains the pressure of the system, but actually the volume of water passing through it is less. And people might think, oh, that's going to ruin my shower. But actually there's been no noticeable difference for anyone that's been trialled using this system so far. And interestingly, on average, it saves about 22% of household water. So quite a significant reduction in water and water bill saving. So when I looked at my house for this, which is just a normal semi-detached 2-bedroom house, it's estimated to save about £80 a year in water. But actually on the energy front, which is quite surprising because as the water's moving more slowly through your home, it means the water's moving more slowly through your shower and all of these things. So you're heating less water too, and on average that's been proven to be between £250 and £450 a year in energy saving, depending on our wildly variable energy tariffs at the moment. So it's interesting how a lot of these techs have multifunctional uses that you might not necessarily think of initially.
Yeah, it's about those wider added values, which is what we've had a lot with this home, like you touched on the ventilation. You know, some of those might not necessarily be saving you energy, but it's about that air quality, it's about reducing damp mold condensation and those wider factors, which then will have a payback over time through